Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. Fibocan is a wealth enabler. We enable wealth through our training, coaching, mentoring, and helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology solutions. Many of you had called me and inquired about my health. Thank you very much for that. Disclaimer, as always, please discuss with your investment advisor before taking any investment decision, because I will be talking only of general trend broad indicators. On October 1st, that is yesterday, the first trading day of the month, Nifty and Bank Nifty opened gap down, significantly gap down. However, it closed where it opened or even slightly higher, forming a doji star, which is a positive sign. Bank Nifty closed at 37,225.90 and Nifty at 17,532. So now, Bank Nifty and Nifty, after forming doji star, what is in store next week? It has to form two things. One is that it has to open gap up on Monday, and it has to sustain the gap up and form a bullish confirmation, meaning a bullish candle on Monday. If these two things happen, and if the third thing, if it closes above the exponential moving average, it is fantastic reversal. That means the interim downturn that we saw in the last 1 or 2 days will come to an end. Let's look at the resistance and support. Bank Nifty, the resistance at 37,315 and another one at 37,425.10. Support, very good support at 36,831, 36,608 and 36,525. Nifty, resistance at 17,576 and 17,618. Support at 17,436, 369 and 17,313. What will happen if these resistance are taken out? If these resistance are taken out by Monday, probably, it will act as support, and Bank Nifty and Nifty has further room for going up. Now, coming to the individual components, to start with the Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank and all the banking stocks opened a gap down and formed doji star. HDFC Bank looks strong. In fact, it is poised to cross the previous month's close shortly. ICICI Bank is weak. In fact, it is below the 50-day moving average. We have to see for some more time ICICI Bank going sideways to down. Probably another 8-10 points it might come down also. Axis Bank opened gap down but formed a strong candle. In fact, strongest of the reversal that it formed. However, again, it has to open gap up on Monday and form a bullish confirmation and close above the lower band. Now it is below the lower band. SBI is very strong. It is going to continue its up move. Kotak, though it fell below the 2020 closing of 1995, still it has chance of going up. IndusInd Bank is going sideways, and AU Bank is the strongest of the banks, and in fact it is going to touch its all-time high soon with the trend intact. However, the value addition to Bank Nifty is very insignificant because of its weightage. On the Nifty component, Reliance is looking very strong. On Friday, it opened gap down, formed a solid green candle. On Monday, I expect this to form a morning star, continuing its uptrend. In the weekly chart of Reliance, it is nicely riding along the upper band. As I had indicated many times, if such a nicely riding along the upper band, as long as it is touching the upper band and moving up, one can hold the positions. In the monthly also, it is going up. IT stocks. Last week I had indicated that IT stocks is in a short-term downward trend. Still the downward trend on short-term basis only is intact. Long-term is still long-term and medium-term, it is the up move is still intact. Short-term, probably I expect another 1 to 2% fall in all the IT stocks. Probably with Wipro and Techem might go down further, probably 2 to 3%. But beyond that, don't expect any downfall. In fact, TCS is going to go up, and Infy also is going to go up significantly in this month itself. In fact, TCS will touch its all-time high soon. On the consumer durables, Titan, as always, it is going up. Hindustan Lever is downwards. Asian Paint is side to down, but soon it is going to reverse. Automobiles, we had indicated that automobiles is one of the good stocks, and for this week and this month as a whole, as rightly, automobiles are in a significant up move with the Tata Motors and M&M really strong, and Bajaj Auto and Hero Motors are also going to go up. Probably Maruti looks slightly weak, but that also will correct its course in November around Diwali time. That's what I expect. On the metal front, JSPL and Hindalco looking strong. In fact, JSPL again I expect another 10 to 15% up move. Hindalco also is going up, while Tata Steel reversed from its lower bands on the lower time frame, but still going sideways. Same is JSW Steel. With all these things combined, Nifty and Bank Nifty will easily cross the resistance level that I had indicated, and if that happens, that will act as a support for the entire next week, and soon we are going to see further up move in Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming weeks and running up to Diwali, and probably, who knows, by around Diwali you might touch 18K as everybody is expecting in Nifty. Thank you very much for watching my video.